Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My fellow honorees. They say they always leave the best wine for last. Sometimes I wonder, right? What does the Consul General husband says when I call her at 7 o'clock at 7:30 in the morning, right? And wake her up about stuff that I'm working on as a journalist. And I must say that she has always been very gracious in answering the call. Or if she cannot answer the call, she sent me a message to say, I will get back in touch with you. But she has always responded to my calls. Sometimes she's annoyed, but she responds. But that's what journalists do. We annoy people when they don't want to be annoyed, because we're always seeking information to give to the public. I want to say thanks to the Consul General and our staff for this honor. I want to say that I've worked with the Consul General and the Consulate, and I will continue to work with the Consulate and the Consul General to bring information to the Jamaican public here, information that benefits the public, talks about the work that the Consulate is doing, as well as Jamaicans in the wider diaspora who have made good. I've tried to focus mostly on Jamaicans who have gotten to certain positions. I haven't yet featured Dr. Dixon and Dr. Streete, but it's only a matter of time. So, I feature a number of Jamaicans who have gotten to certain positions. But I also have another mission in terms of my work, which is to ensure that our legacy organizations that have existed in the U.S. will continue, and to make sure that it carries on the legacy of Jamaica and Jamaicans here. Because too many of them are going by the wayside. Too many of them are falling out. And for the young people who are going to be sworn in today as citizens, join these organizations. Please do not let them die. Please, I'm asking you. Yeah. All right? CG, thanks very much for the honor. Ms. Brown, hello. She always give me a hard time. But when I come to the consulate, I used to be able to get tea, no? And I don't understand what's going on. Yeah, but I don't drink coffee, I drink tea. So, thanks again for the honor, and thanks very, very much for having me. I will cherish it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Hinds. A big round of applause for all our honorees tonight.
You got some Haitian restaurants.